If you've got issues tracking your BAS liabilities each quarter or understanding how much you're going to be up for, one simple way to do it is to use Xero's account watch list here on the dashboard. So anyone can see it. If it's not visible on yours, just go to Edit and hit Show. Now, the account watch list basically brings forward a few of the key chart of accounts that you want to see and shows you the balance in the accounts. Now, in this case, we're in the demo file and you can see that it's got a few random chart of accounts here. Now, the way to update what's included in the account watch list is go to Accounting and Chart of Accounts. And then you can go and search for the account that you want to see on the dashboard. So in this case, I'm going to search for GST, click on it, and then go to Show in Dashboard Watch List. I also want to see the superannuation liability account. And I'm pretty sure that the PAYG withholding payable account was there as well. Now, there's a couple of accounts on there that I don't want to see on a regular basis, so you can go in and untick those. And I believe inventory and office expenses were the other ones. Now, there are other ways to track this, but I find that using the account watch list on the dashboard is a pretty quick and easy way to do it, purely because you log into the dashboard every time you jump into Xero. Now, if we refresh the dashboard, now that we've fixed up those chart of accounts, we should see that the account watch list shows GST, PAYG withholding, which those two broadly are going to make up your BAS liability, and the superannuation payable account. Now, the way that I would approach this is, and this is the way that I approach this in my business, is I've got a business savings account similar to what's set up here in the demo company. And generally what I try and do is make the number here, i.e. the amount in that bank account, match the sum of this year-to-date figure. What that means is that I've always got the right amount saved for my BAS, and when the BAS liability comes around, the money that's in this account just goes to pay that liability, and there's no payment arrangements, there's no stressing about being able to meet the deadline. And by tracking this on a regular basis, there's also no surprises when that BAS comes around, because I can see on a day-to-day basis how much is my year-to-date liability. Now, the other way that you can track your BAS liability is at any given time, you can go to accounting and either reports or directly here and go to activity statements and run an activity statement report for the quarter that will show you the tax that you're up for. So as an example, I'm going to go here, and we're in the September quarter at the moment. We're 2 months into the quarter. I can go to that, create the statement, and it will show me at any given time how much is payable, albeit in this case, the wages haven't tracked through. But if you've got wages, that should come across automatically as well. Now, that liability will show you, as at today, how much money do I owe to the ATO, again, assuming that your books are up to date. The approach, like I said, as long as if you've got that much money in your bank account, or at least aim to have that much money in your bank account, then it means when the BAS comes around, you're not going to be getting any surprises. So hopefully that helps you to track your BAS liability. The only thing that is not included here are PAYG installments, which are income tax installments issued by the ATO. That is not picked up automatically in the system, and unfortunately, short of asking us, there's not really any easy way to deal with that other than just taking what you paid last quarter and assuming it's going to be the same again this quarter. So hopefully that's helpful in terms of how to manage your tax liabilities, or your BAS liabilities at least. Like I said, track the account watch list and just make sure, try to aim to have that amount in your bank account at any given time, and should be no more surprises for you from the tax man.